that was 1 stick of butter and then 1 cup of my brown sugar. We're just gonna go ahead and let those caramelize on our skillet. We are making a super easy and delicious dessert. Probably one of the easiest desserts you'll ever make. But let's get this butter melted and that brown sugar caramelized so we get this easy dessert started. All right, so this is not ready yet because we want to make sure that we don't have gritty sugar in our dessert. But while this continues to cook, I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped pecans right into our mixture. You can use whatever nut preference you have, pecans, pecans, whatever you call it. Everyone calls it different. So, let me know in the comments. All right, once we get this nice and mixed in and we get that sugar nice and smooth, we are gonna have a delicious topping for our easy dessert. It smells delicious, looks delicious, and everyone is gonna eat it up.
These pecans smell amazing.
Pecans. All right, let's go ahead and let this simmer. Okay, this looks delicious. Those pecans roasted a little bit. Let's go ahead and move our skillet to the side. All right, I have my greased bundt pan, and we're gonna go ahead and pour our mixture right into our bundt pan.
Ooh, it smells delicious.
Evenly distribute it the best you can. Perfect. Okay, and just to make sure that we got a nice layer of our topping in our bundt pan, I'm just grabbing a small spatula and flattening out our delicious pecan mixture. Next thing I'm gonna grab is my cinnamon roll grands. We're gonna open these up. And get these right out of their package. And then we're gonna place our cinnamon rolls standing up just like so.
Oh, what?
You can have a little bit of space in between them. I'm kind of going against my grooves right here. So we used about 2.5 packages. Now remember, these are gonna puff up, so you need that space in between them, but this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna cook for 35 minutes. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. It is time to flip it over and see that beautiful pecan topping, pecan. Whoa.
Can you do this? You good?
I think so. Woo, look at that!
Goodness.
Looks so good. Okay, and of course we gotta put that icing that comes with the cinnamon rolls right on top of this. Because what is cinnamon rolls without icing? Look at that. All right, let's cut a slice. Oh my gosh, it smells incredible, you guys. Those pecans, cinnamon rolls.
I want to see the inside.
Oh my, it's cooked perfect. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh my gosh, right there, perfect bite. So good.